Hello everyone, welcome back to Developers and Coders Club of NIT Gartala. Today we're going to discuss Educational Code Forces Round 149's problem statement C, which is best binary string. So in this question you will be given a string which will contain three type of characters, which are 0, 1 and question mark. So according to question we can only change question mark character into either 0 or 1, and we can do a type of operation, which is we can select a substring from this string and we can reverse it, and we have to make it in non-decreasing order. So in each operation we can choose a substring and we can reverse it. So we have to find what is the minimum way so that we can make our string, so we don't have to count the numbers of reversals, but we have to find the we have to replace these question marks with either 0 or 1, and we have to form a string where we have to do minimum reversals so that our string become in non-decreasing order. So let's see how we'll approach this question. So let's see first test cases how we are doing this. So here you can see that all the first two question marks are replaced with 0 and last question mark is replaced with 1, so that the corresponding string is already sorted. Let's see the third test case. Here we can see that first all the question marks are replaced with 1, so this substring came, sorry, this string came, and now you can see if we select this part and we reverse it, then 0 will go on forward side and all the ones will go on backward, and this string will become sorted. So what is the approach to solve this question is, let's see on whiteboard. So here you can see we have this first example where we have two question marks, 0, 1 and question mark. So what will we do is, like if we want to make it less, like if we want less reversals, then what will we do, we will try to make as much as 0 together and as much as 1 ones together. Like in this case, if I make these first two question marks into convert into 0 and last this into 1, so here you can see we have two parts, one is this and one is this. In this case it is already sorted, but if it would not have been sorted, like let's see, if it was something like this, then we need only one reversal to make this string sorted. Let's see the second test case. Here as you can see, if we make these two question mark convert into 1 and last question mark into 0, so this string comes where we only need one reversal. And in the second in the last test case, first we replaced the first question mark into 0 and the second with 1 and third with 0, and then our string became like this, where all as we collected as much as 0 we can collect together and as much as 1 we can collect. So how will we solve this question? So we will maintain a previous character variable. It will initially contain character 0. So what will happen, first whatever question mark we will see, we will assign it 0, and if any character comes which is already assigned, so we will assign our previous character that variable. Like if we see this question, we will iterate from here. So first we will come here, here we found question mark, so we will replace it with 0. Then we will come here, here we again found question mark, so we will replace it with 0. Here we will come and we found 0, so we will make our previous variable 0, so it was from before 0, so nothing will happen. Then we will come here and here it was 0, so we will cut it and we will make it 1. Now if we will come here, we will make this question mark 1, so this array will come. Similarly we will do with this and this. So what will happen, we will need most less reversals, because all zeros and ones as much as we can collect, they are together. So in this what will happen, like if we see this case, so we will select this part and we can reverse it, so that what will happen, first two zeros will be together and next two zeros will also come together and all ones will go that side. And similarly we will reverse this, and then all the zeros will be one side and all the ones will be on another side. So let's see the code. How will we solve this? Okay, so here you can see this is our code. Here we took string as input, then we initiated our previous variable as 0, and now we started. If we find si equal to question mark, then we will assign it our previous variable, which is initially 0, and then if we find any other character which is not question mark, then we will assign our previous variable that variable, and similarly after this we will simply print our string, and that will be our answer. Let's see, let's run the test cases. Okay, so this is not matching because the test cases which were given, they were not similar because it have multiple answers. So this is the approach of solving. You can see all these are the solutions. Thank you for watching.